Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Vascu Flow Drops. And as you can see, we have it here on a dashboard in Justice dashboard. And basically, they just deleted the Vascu Flow Drops from their website. And that's pretty suspicious. And as you can see, if we head on over here to malware tips, so Vascu Flow Drops is the latest health supplement being aggressively marketed online through spam emails, fake news articles, misleading social media ads, and exaggerated claims. But before you pull out your credit card, it's important to take a closer look on what Vascu Flow Drops actually offers. So basically, right here, it has cayenne pepper hawthorn, beetroot, turmeric, vitamin K2 plus D3, liquid drops. So as you can see at first glance, Vascu Flow Drops markets itself a natural supplement. Let's peel back the layers on these claims. While Vascu Flow Drops may be manufactured in an FDA-registered facility, the product itself is not evaluated or approved by the FDA. So that basically says a lot. And more importantly, Vascu Flow Drops seems to follow a familiar pattern on inflated claims and miracle cures used by similar natural supplements. So if you've been living under a rock, there have been a lot of apps or products like these claiming to cure this, cure cancer, or cure dementia, and a lot more. So it is basically too good to be true. And as you can see, they actually advise, and the safest bet to avoid is to avoid Vascu Flow Drops altogether and consult a licensed healthcare professional if you have any health concern or medical concerns. So steer clear of miracle supplements that sound too good to be true. In most cases, they are. Yeah, it's just right. They're just a waste of money, and your best chance at improving your health is through professional medical advice and evidence-based natural products, not falling prey to slick marketers making big promises but failing to deliver. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.